Do you want to add a bit of spectacular to your garden this year? Try poppies with me. I think these plants do prefer drier climates, and I live in a hot, humid zone 8, and apparently mildew can be a problem on poppies, so I will have to be careful to only water these at their bases if they ever even grow. But this footage that you see here is a garden in my town that I saw on a garden tour, and poppies were the stars of the shows last year and the year before that, so I'm really curious to grow them. At least I know it's possible, and apparently these poppies reseed and self-sow themselves, so if you plant them once, let them go to seed, collect the seeds from the dry poppy heads, and you can enjoy them year after year. After I bought my poppy seeds, I found one type I bought, the Iceland Gartford, doesn't grow nearly as easily in warm climates like mine as the papaver rhoeas species. And I really wish I would have known that before I bought it, but hey, it's spread out in the yard now, so we'll see what it does. But let's take a look at me getting ready to plant these seeds. So I'm creating a new bed by putting this cardboard on top and then putting gardening soil on top. So here's what I've gotten done so far. So this will all be a new bed, and underneath it is cardboard to keep the weeds down. And this is better than digging, because if you dig, you're going to mess up your fungus. Don't do that. I'm really excited to try my new Iceland poppies. So I've got a few different ones. I've got Giant Iceland Gartford poppy, Shirley double poppy, and Angel's Choir mixed poppy. So they're tiny, tiny little seeds. I'm going to put them in this new bed here that I made yesterday. Instead of digging, I put cardboard on top of the grass, and then I put raised bed soil on top of that. So we'll see how these do. I'm also going to put some shishito peppers out here. The seeds are really tiny, and they suggest mixing it with sand so that you get them evenly distributed, but I'm just gonna scatter them about and hold my breath.